Hey, welcome back.
Hey, I just dropped my car off, but I was curious, how long does that take?
The red SUV?
Yeah.
It's all ready to go. It's parked out front.
Wow.
You want to take a look at it?
Yeah, that was quick.
Let's go.
All right, Jenny, we're just going to run through your lines one more time without the mic, and then we'll mic you up afterwards.
Okay.
So
Right,
go
we'll
ahead.
practice.
Yep.
Okay. Hey, today I'm here with this 2019 Jeep Compass. It's currently available at Parkfield Automotive. It comes standard with GPS and climate control.
Whoa, yo, oh my, dude.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
Oh my.
An idiot.
Oh my God.
Oh.
My car.
Is everything okay?
No, this guy just dented my car with
Look
his
at that.
Take a look.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's.
What?
Don't worry. We can fix something like
I
that.
mean, I don't really want to take it to a body shop. It takes so long.
So, Dent Shop is not like a body shop. We can fix something like that in the same day.
You sure, man?
Same day?
Yeah, we can do it.
You know, it's expensive and.
Well, I'll tell you what. It looks like you guys are filming some sort of a commercial
We
here
were.
or video production.
Yeah.
What if I fix that dent for you guys and you guys make a commercial for me?
Yeah, yeah, we could do that.
Okay.
Is that a deal?
Yeah, we got a deal.
Let's do it.
Okay.
We'll get it taken care of.
Thank you. Thanks.
You're welcome.